has been more than a best friend to me over the past 10 years, but more of a sister, and I will forever be grateful for the day that we became friends, because I know that there is no other friend on this earth who is more genuine or kind-hearted than she is. She may be small, but she has the biggest heart, and I know that I could not have dreamt for a better man to find her. Todd, you are the sweetest, most selfless person on earth, and I am so grateful that you chose my best friend to be your wife, because I know that you will love and protect her until her very last breath. And I am so honored that I was able to stand beside the both of you today while you begin this new chapter of your lives together.
Alexandria, take this ring
as a sign
of my love
and fidelity.
Todd, take this ring
as a sign
of my love
and fidelity.
Todd has always been there for me. Like one of the many times I was forgotten at the hockey arena, he came to pick me up after I was there for about 20 minutes or so. I've always looked up to Todd. Mainly, he's taller than me. He's always willing to help anyone in any situation. Todd and Alexandria have a special bond, and I'm excited to have her as a sister. I specifically love how she dresses me up when I buy new clothes and model them to her, just like my sister has for my entire life.
Just when I thought my son could not be happier, Alexandra came along and changed his world for the better. During the relationship, she made him want to be the person that he could be, and I really would like to thank you, Alexandra, for making that happen. Thank you so much, Quinter and Dan, for raising such an incredible daughter and welcoming my son into your family with open arms.
Alexandria, you're an absolute vision today, as is your mom. An absolute vision. And I'm standing up here and just marveling. So, in the final analysis, ladies and gentlemen, you see a beautiful, accomplished, and confident young woman embarking on the next adventure as Todd's wife. But for me, I see my little girl. And that's what she'll always be to me.
sacrifices that you've made for not only me, but for Todd. As we ensure, and as you've ensured that this day was truly the most special day possible for us, we thank you and love you so much.
To my mom and my dad, thank you for everything you have done for me for the past 31 years. You have helped make me the man I am today, and I can't thank you both enough. We love you both.